Hi guys, I'm here with this awesome COZII Cold Press Juicer. So it's not a high-speed centrifugal juicer which is causing a lot of friction, a lot of heat during the juicing process and then limiting the amount of juice and especially nutrition and also taste. Here we have a high quality masticating juicer. Some people call it also a slow juicer because it's squashing out the juice, and that's much better to retrieve the maximum nutrition, maximum taste. And I've already been using that and it worked absolutely awesome. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, easy to clean. We get all the parts which are needed, even an extra strainer, extra brush to clean. I mean, cleaning is always a big topic when it comes to juicers. I have already tried both type of juicers and I would say there's no big difference. If you're using some fruits with a lot of fibers, and of course it takes always a couple of minutes to clean. The most important thing is that you clean it right away with warm water. That's the easiest thing, but you can also put most of the parts into dishwasher, but of course not the part with the motor. You get also full instructions manual and even extra booklet with a lot of healthy recipes. Another big advantage of masticating juicers are that we get more juice and drier pulp. And another big advantage, especially when you're using this at home, is that it has a very quiet operation, definitely much more quiet than centrifugal juicers. And so I've already been using it and it worked absolutely perfect. I've been using it with some fresh oranges and the juice was absolutely amazing, so tasty, much better than anything you can buy in the store. Pulp was also super dry, exactly same thing as with the carrots I've been using here. I'm usually not drinking a lot of carrot juice, but from this machine it's absolutely awesome. I could even taste some sweetness. That's absolutely amazing. I've never been able to taste sweetness in a carrot juice before, but here I could definitely taste it. It's so amazing. Sweetness in a carrot juice, that's probably only possible with a masticating juicer, and it gave me a lot, and it worked also great for the potatoes. That's something which can be absolutely amazing for the digestion. I really love it, and usually I didn't have any problems. I just added one fruit after another and usually it would process it very reliable. Sometimes I had to just push a little bit down, but definitely not much, and we get this nice pusher here which is super helpful. We also have this nice lid which prevents from grabbing the fruits inside of the feeder. That's also a great safety plus. I had it just once that it wouldn't catch one of the fruits, and then I put it into reverse and then back to normal speed, and then it picked it up again easily. And also cleaning worked really good. I've been using warm water right after using it, put even a couple of items into dishwasher and everything came out absolutely perfect. So it's really an amazing juicer, a beautiful one, high quality, easy to use. I would say it doesn't get much better than that, so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.